This is our bird versus lime video. We're gonna figure out which one's better for stunting and a better all-around scooter. They look almost exactly the same. Go, stop, stop, go. Kind of the same. This one has a cool little digital readout. Very small differences. The brakes are the same. Literally, they look like they're the same brand scooter. They're both wrong wheel drive, as I call it, which is front wheel drive. But that's sweet. Let me show you what you can do with that. So that's a lie, by the way. That's not actually true. How much did it cost to turn this on?
$10, because you have to buy the ride credits first before you can use it.
Ah.
And the minimum they'll let you buy is $10 worth.
Oh, interesting. And then how about this one? We just started riding it, huh?
Yeah, just put my credit card info in, and that one actually did cost $1 to start.
Oh, this one actually is $1 to start and doesn't have it on the deck. This one has it on the deck and it's not $1 to start. Not a huge deal, but just something to be aware of. And let's go. Good thing I know how to ride and hold stuff, because you guys are, oh! Don't forget your kickstands. Some sick burnouts. That's the dumbest thing. They're both this bad. Like, look at this in the grass. I'm gonna die. Oh, I know I'm gonna get hurt on this real fast. All right, I just discovered something. They have a back brake, right? Just like that. They also have this brake, which is like an engine brake for electric motors, which is your front wheel. I'm gonna die. Woo. Monster truck through the grass? No? All right, we're gonna get some clips on this thing. Fat burnout. They have zero traction in the grass. And we gotta cross the street. Look at this button, that's kind of cool. We're at the library. Cops over there. That's where I'm trying to sneak into. See that thing right there? As soon as those two security guys are gone, we're gonna be sneaking in and riding that full pipe. I think security's gone. By the way, Big Daddy backflipped out of this. Shout out to Big Daddy. This thing is a piece of a space shuttle fuselage. Super sweet. All right, let's see how this thing rides on here. This is so slippery. I need to come into that one. Oh my gosh. Things are a little harder to stunt than I thought. Next spot. Let's go. Did it just get mad?
It did.
It timed out?
Was just getting attention hungry.
Oh, I wanted some attention.
So,
Let me
yeah,
give it a little attention off this forced air real quick. So far, I like the bird better.
Thought you said the lime was smoother.
Yeah, but I don't really like smoother all that. The bird is faster, more fun, and it's lighter. Okay, the scooter did not like when I did that. It flexed a little bit. That's a little scary. Okay, let's continue. It's kind of cool. The app shows you a little map of where you went. We went all over the place, did a bunch of circles everywhere. But yeah, these things are actually pretty fun. I actually think they're kind of cool. They're fun to get from A to B really fast. I don't know, which one did you like more? They're really the same, but I like the Bird more because it's a little more out of control, and I like to ride out of control things. This thing's throttle response is just ridiculous. It's dumb. It just kind of goes out of nowhere. Whereas this one is smooth, but this one has the annoying $10 startup. Other than that, they're exactly the same, and they're both exactly as crappy. They will both get you from A to B though. It is kind of a cool little system they have. Oh! You have to put